Welcome to the latest construction update for the Grove. There's lots of activity on site and we'd love to share it with you. Significant progress has been made on a range of new amenities that will bring the Grove community together. The town center's planning application will be lodged by Empire Property later this month, and construction will commence in 2023, subject to authority approval. We expect completion to be in 2024. Construction is well underway in the future Riverdale East Primary School, which will open in 2023 and accommodate over 500 students that will be able to enjoy a community hub, a competition-grade gym, 2 learning neighborhood buildings, and outdoor sports facilities. The Victorian School Building Authority has recently acquired the secondary school site, which will open its doors to 1,200 senior students in 2024. On completion, the secondary school will offer a dedicated science, technology, engineering, and math center, a performing arts building, a library, and 100 dedicated places for students with disability to offer equal opportunities to everyone. Our parks and recreation spaces will see new additions, with the upgrade of the Little Growling Park slide, the opening of the new park in Sippy Circuit, the Stage 60 waterway, which will open to the public before the end of the year, just in time for the summer holidays. Now moving on to construction. Our construction teams are progressing very well on site, with a main focus on our premium Riverside precinct, which will offer wetlands, waterways, and more parks for our residents to enjoy once complete. The bulk earthworks are very well progressed on stages 45, 48, 49, and 50, and we're expecting settlements to take place in the second and third quarters of 2023. In exciting news for the Stage 29 purchasers, titles are now registered and settlements will commence later this month. We can't wait to welcome these new families to our community. And finally, we're pleased to announce that the Hoggins Road Bridge and Hoggins Road Extension works are now complete and open for use. This is a huge milestone for the connectivity of our community. That brings us to the end of our construction update. We're very happy with the progress so far, and we're looking forward to sharing further announcements in the next update.